Hey there, Automators. Today I want to talk to you about another method of quickly batch renaming files. And that's through Automator. Okay. And it's even easier than the process that I showed you a couple of weeks ago using Hazel. That process was uh, just showing how to rename files as soon as they're downloaded. This method will show how batch files can instantaneously be renamed. So what you do is first let's create some text files. Mm, we can do that by let's see, do text edit. New. One, okay. Save it on the desktop. We're gonna do this a couple times. Sorry about that. And here's the third file. Okay, there I created 3 files, named them anything, and now we are going to go through the process of finding, setting up a renaming workflow with Automator. Alright, so what we do is this is a simple 2-step process. So what we do is start Automator. There we go. And then we're going to create a new workflow. So it's a new document. I'm going to make it a workflow. Choose application. Then the first step is we would get Finder files. Oops. So it's here. get specified finder items. Here we go. And then the next step is rename finder items. And then we don't want to copy finder items, so we're gonna just delete this section right here. And we're gonna go get the files and simply rename them. And then we are gonna make them sequential. And then we're gonna say it's gonna be called test file is the new name. And then we're going to start numbering at 1. And we're going to make the numbers 2 digits long. And it shows you an example. Here, a test file 01 xxx.xxx, which is just the extension. It can be whatever extension you want. So, we set up the renaming parameters. Now we have to add the files back up here. So we're going to go to get the files, and here they are because we were already on the desktop. Add those files, and then we're going to rename the files by running this workflow. Alright guys, check this out. Boom. And here you can even see that it did it. Test file 1, test file 2, and test file 3. And nothing went wrong with the workflow. There you have it. Alright guys, this is just a quick renaming tool you can use. Obviously, you'd want to save the workflow. I'm going to call it rename. Can't type today. And remember, this can be done with any file that you want to rename sequentially. I use this a lot for renaming media files. And of course, as you know, media files, especially if you're watching a TV show or something, you have several files that you would need to rename. Alright, so I'd save this. And then you could always have the workflow on the desktop. Alright guys, thank you. Like it, subscribe, and leave comments. But I really want to know what other automation videos you want to see done on the Mac. Alright guys, thanks. Talk to you soon in the next video.